Hi, in this video I will demonstrate how to create a server utilizing our interface. Important, this video is focused on those people who already have a minimum idea of how to create the server. For those who don't know how to play online or have never created a server, I'm going to make another video with all the steps from scratch. Firstly, the Server Control tab allows us to start the server and view the command line interface, CLI for further actions. By pressing Start, the server status changes to running and the command line becomes visible, allowing us to see it. At present, this window is in a slightly developmental phase. There will be a few modifications made prior to the final version. As an illustration, right beside the stop and restart buttons, my intention is to incorporate a designated area for displaying the IP address and port of the server. You will be able to use this to join the server directly without having to search for it in the server list. Below, you can also input commands. It is still in beta testing, so it may not function as expected, but we would simply input the command and click on the send button to execute it. In the next window, the settings window. Here, you can configure server options like the name, authorization key for online access, maximum number of cars, maximum number of players, desired map to load, and description. These settings allow you to customize your server according to your preferences and requirements. What may appear new to you is this final area here. We have carried out this task in order to personalize the server administration window. For example, we can put it in dark mode, click Save, and it completely changes the appearance of the page. To exit, click here again and then click Save. This is located over here. Now let's navigate to the content window. This window has taken us a lot of work, but what it allows is to upload the content to the server without using any external system. It is as straightforward as attaching a file to an email. We would need to navigate. We would have to select the vehicle that we desire or the map that we prefer. In this case, for example, this is a bus. I click on it and I open it. It loads to know that it is loading. Simply in the browser I see the little circle as it is loading, and here I can see the total gigabytes occupied. In this case, it is a test server that has a total of 1 gigabyte, and we see that 176 megabytes are occupied out of a total of 1 gigabyte. To delete it, I would click on Delete, and if I want to add more, I simply select the map that I want. In this case, I click on Open and the map loads. All this content will be downloaded automatically if the client entering the server does not have it. So super easy. What else? The More Options tab. Here we can create different accounts for users who want to manage the server with us. We would simply create the account and share the password with the user. After that, we can check the server configuration file to view the settings. Let's assume that all the server information we have under control with the interface ends up being translated into a configuration text file, which we are able to see here. And then the logs. Here we can see if there was any error, as we can see the entire log left by both the server and the control panel. I hope it is helpful to you, and we will be adding features gradually. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment on this same video and I will personally assist you. Thank you so much.